Hi, my name is Brian, and I'm here with Formations today to talk to you about how self-employed can save on taxes with the S-Corp. To get us started, let's talk about some statistics for self-employed individuals. 90% of self-employed people are paying too much tax by being in the wrong structure. 25% of people are still doing their books on paper, and 45% of people are doing the books themselves. Being an S-Corp helps you maximize your financial and personal well-being. In this illustration, we're talking about someone who makes $80,000 of net profits from their business, and just by being an S-Corp, they can save almost $9,000 in taxes. Additional benefits, such as having healthcare or 401k, can help you leverage more tax savings. Annualized, this looks at $15,000 or more, depending on your strategy. When we're thinking about the S-Corp, we want to talk about the 5 primary elements. First, you want to think about revenue. Revenue is everything that you do to earn money. Some forms need to be filled out in order for you to receive this income, such as your W-9 and your 1099. It's important that you use a separate business bank account, and you can even have direct deposit for ease of access to your funds. You want to think, what's revenue and what's not revenue? Revenue is generally service income when you provide services to others. Things that are not revenue are returns or refunds from Amazon. Our second thing that we like to discuss is expenses. These are all the items that you need to do to keep the lights on. Again, commingling of funds is a big no-no. Every month you want to reconcile your books so that you understand the state of your business, and you'll have to make a determination on whether to use actual or the mileage rate. It is very important to note, you should not be paying your kids, your pets, or using personal care from business funds. However, sometimes it might be beneficial to have your kids be on payroll. And finally, never forget that ever important home office deduction. These are all things that you don't pay tax on, making them tax-free benefits to your business. Don't be afraid of payroll. A few things happen when you become an employee of your company. First and foremost, you're going to take a W-2. Your professionals will help you determine what your reasonable compensation is. You can have health insurance serviced through your payroll, pay your state taxes, and decide the cadence in which you take regular payrolls. Each quarter, you'll need to file your payroll tax filings, which is on Form 941. Our fourth quality is benefits. Through the S-Corp, you can enjoy Fortune 500 benefits, such as 401k, group health insurance, health savings accounts, FSA, and other fringe benefits. Our fifth and final element of the S-Corp is distributions. Each year, you'll receive a Form K-1 that shows your amount of income from the business outside of the payroll you've taken. This is your take-home pay, in a way. This money can stay in the business, or you can take it out of the business to use it for your own personal finances. It's important that you pay your federal and state taxes on this income. The most important thing about distributions is that they're self-employment tax-free, and that you can take them out anytime you want. Whenever we're looking at whether or not someone should become an S-Corp, we always like to do a comparison, if you were a Schedule C filer or if you went forward with the S-Corp structure. Every time you are an S-Corp, you need to take reasonable wages, which helps you save in self-employment taxes. Then, as your tax professional works on your tax return, at the end of the day, you could be saving a tremendous amount of tax by not paying SE taxes on your full amount of net profits. In this example, our client had around $80,000 in income in the year, took $28,000 in reasonable wages, and saved just under $9,000 in taxes. Now that we've gone over what kind of savings could be on the tax return, let's revisit this example before. The taxes saved are the self-employment taxes. The benefits are when you start to leverage a solo 401k, and your health insurance is also beneficial. Overall, this is how we get to the $15,000 savings in your calendar year. Here at Formations, we have a favorite quote. In America, there are 2 tax systems. One is for the informed, and one is for the uninformed. Both are legal. Now that you're on your way to the informed state, let's kind of break down the benefits of the S-Corp. What does self-employment get by forming an S-Corp? Putting them all together in aggregate, we look at personal asset protection, plus tax savings, plus the credibility of your business, and the reduction in your audit risk, with the cherry on top, which is corporate benefits. All these together are why you want to be an S-Corp. What we want you to do is work on your business, not inside of your business. The journey from being a self-employed LLC to an S-Corp is one that we can take you on. Becoming an S-Corp is easy. The first step is to incorporate and open an S-Corporation. Secondly, you want to open a business checking account. With the help of your accountant, you'll define reasonable wages, and you'll select your benefits to even leverage better tax savings. We'll start with your revenue, which is your income from all sources, and we'll make sure and reduce your expenses, your payroll, your benefits, and any distributions. Then, at the end of that, you'll determine how much taxes you owe and your take-home pay. Our guarantee here at Formations is that you'll save between $9,000 and $13,000 in taxes. This is based on $80,000 to $100,000 in net profit. To help break this down for your benefit, we want to look at it monthly. Each month, you'll have $733 in tax savings. Plus, if you add health insurance and 401k, you can have another $518. Compare that to Formations cost of $350 per month, and you have an average tax savings of $901. Looking at it yearly, it's almost $11,000 saved. Thank you for joining me today, and please reach out to us to schedule your free consultation and see if the S-Corp is right for you.